Hey guys, welcome back for another great video. So today it's about monsters kills anyone who makes sounds. I would love to introduce for you different movies to watch. For today we have guys A Quiet Place as a recommended movie to watch it if you haven't yet. So for more details, let's jump to the next part of the video. But before we get started, I appreciate if you first take a second to subscribe to the channel and smash even that like button. So without any further ado, let's get started guys. This is the first Quiet Place movie. I will make a video talking about the second one if you guys still interested. Your only weapon for survival is silence. If they hear you, you are dead. A Quiet Place is without a doubt one of the movies that are original and innovative in the theme. A Quiet Place is about a family living a life built on complete silence, fearing an unknown entity that attacks its victims when they make a sound. The events take place on a rural farm in a time that seems to be the end of the world because of these demonic creatures that hunt their victims in the blink of an eye whenever they make their faintest sounds. It may be looking for you an horror movie, but in fact it is a thriller and suspense mixed with some horror more than a pure horror movie. But it's gorgeous, breathtaking, and pulls you in from start to finish. Throughout the movie you won't be able to leave the screen until it's over. A Quiet Place is one of the best movies of 2018, and you will miss a lot if you do not watch this creative cinematic work. The first opportunity you get to see the movie, seize it, and you will not regret it. The movie is absolutely awesome and amazing. Also, the acting is awesome as well, as all the main characters were amazing, focusing on Emily Blunt, who plays the role of the mother, as she was her most distinguished character, and making some of the movie scenes breathtaking, with Millicent Simmons as her deaf daughter, who is deaf in fact, and Noah Jupe as the youngest son. The father character was played by John Krasinski, and in fact her husband. He proved in this movie that he is a first-class actor, as he played the role of the protective father of the family, who tries hard to make things around them as calm as possible. He himself was the director of the movie, and perhaps this work is considered his first successful director, as he was very clever in dealing with the factor of silence and how the characters interact with this factor. In addition, there is the element of water in the movie, which has a very important relationship with the factor of silence, as some things are explained about it at the beginning, and when we get to a scene towards the end, this element of water comes and plays a very decisive role in a particular scene. Perhaps this observation has more to do with the script of the movie than the directing, but in general, in terms of these two aspects, remains very clever and accurate. So the story of the movie, frankly, is not a new innovation in the idea, because it is based on a novel by two screenwriters, but it was not previously published as a novel. It was written in 2013, and then the production company Paramount Pictures bought the rights at the beginning of 2017 to be developed and reformulated few ideas to be released from afar as a movie, but in the cinematic field it remains as distinguished artistic creation, as it remains the kind that tempts you to watch it more than once, and this is considered one of its strongest points. To watch a movie again and again, it's get heavy and very difficult to do, but A Quiet Place will make you watch it more than once. The end was somewhat tragic. There are those who will not like what happened to the events, and the rest of what will happen will be shown and the matter will become more clear. Hopefully we got a sequel movie that was released and it will tell you more about the story. I would love you guys to leave a comment below and let me know which one of your best scene in Quiet Place. Maybe you can tell me things you didn't like about it as well. We've already reached the end of this video, so this is it for now guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video. If you want to know more updates, just check out the channel day by day. But anyway guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and I wish you all a great day.